NerdWallet Loan Comparison Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the products are in the description, so let's dive straight in. The NerdWallet Loan Comparison Tool is designed to help users quickly find and compare personal loans, auto loans, student loans, and mortgages from multiple lenders. It provides a simple interface where users enter key details, like loan amount, credit score, and purpose, to receive a list of tailored loan options. The tool pulls data from a wide range of financial institutions, allowing users to see estimated interest rates, loan terms, and potential monthly payments in one place. One of its biggest advantages is that it enables pre-qualification checks without affecting your credit score, making it ideal for users exploring their options without commitment. This tool is best suited for individuals looking to secure a loan but want to avoid the hassle of manual research. Whether you have excellent credit and want the lowest rate, or you're working with a fair score and need flexible terms, NerdWallet presents a variety of choices based on real-time lender data. Another standout feature is the loan filtering system, allowing users to customize searches by repayment period, lender type, and even borrower requirements like income verification. Additionally, the platform provides in-depth lender reviews and educational resources, helping users understand the pros and cons of each loan offer before making a decision. However, while NerdWallet's tool is highly efficient, it does have some limitations. First, not all lenders are included, meaning you might miss out on certain exclusive deals available directly from banks or credit unions. Second, the displayed rates are often estimates, and actual loan terms might differ once you apply. Also, while it helps narrow down choices, users still need to apply separately with lenders, as the tool doesn't facilitate direct applications. Overall, the NerdWallet Loan Comparison Tool is a valuable resource for borrowers who want a streamlined, data-driven way to compare loans without impacting their credit score. If you're looking for a fast and efficient way to find the best loan for your needs, this tool is worth trying. Check out the links in the description to explore your options today.